This is the condition of my hair right now. So rough, very rough.
Strong and fake a smile until I look away, but I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
I'm at a point in my life where I'm so confused and feel so lost. I'm 22 and I'm stressed like I'm 30. I don't know. This video is going to be everywhere. It's going to be everywhere because, to be very honest, I don't know how it's going to go. It's not scripted. I don't have a script for it. Sorry, I don't have a script for it. I just want to film it. I just brought out my phone and decided to talk to my camera because I just feel like talking, feel like pouring out my heart. So I'm going to be sharing my insecurities, just going to be open. And the funny thing is, I don't know if I'm going to upload this video but if you are watching it, if you get to watch it, then that means I finally succumbed to the power drawing me. Wait, before you guys come for me, I know this channel was supposed to be for documenting my tech journey. Yeah, I know that, 100% sure. But the way I'm feeling right now, to be very honest, the way I'm feeling right now, I haven't cold. Like, it's like I and my laptop, we are having a fight. So I haven't been close to my laptop for some days now, and if I don't learn something, I can't come up here and update you guys, right? And I actually want my YouTube career to grow. I want to have a very big YouTube career. So if I don't upload, this channel is going to be dry, and I don't want it to be dry. So this is why I'm here ranting. Maybe you'll be seeing more of my rants because this girl here is going crazy. I celebrated my 20 years birthday I think 2 months ago, and it was okay. The birthday was okay. There was no celebration, but I was happy. Yeah, I was happy. Then weeks later, I started feeling pressure. I started feeling lots of pressure, but I didn't know where this pressure was coming from. Like, pressure was coming from everywhere, all over, left, right, front, back. Like, I was thinking, I'm still thinking actually. I was thinking a lot. Like, I'm trying to find peace. I'm trying to find peace and contentment, moving at my own pace. Like, I feel like I'm no longer comfortable. In fact, then right now I think I'm doing everything wrong. Yeah, I think I'm doing everything wrong because 1 minute you think you've planned everything, 1 minute you think you've got everything under control, and the next minute everything is just scattering, everything is just going astray, everything is like in fact, there right now, when I take 1 step forward I'm taking 2 steps backward. That's it. Everything is out of my control. Like, you see yourself taking 1 step forward and the next minute you're taking 2 steps forward. Like, everything is just going against you. Not you, me. Everything is going against me. Like, I know people will be like, you're 22, you're still young, you don't have to stress too much, you don't have to think too much about life. Yeah, I know, but we are different. I have goals. I've set timelines for myself. Like, okay, at 24, this is what you should be doing. At 23, this is where you should be. At 25, this is how you should have planned your life. This is what you should have achieved. And when I see that I'm 22 right now, but I don't see myself working towards these goals. I don't see myself making plans to achieve those goals within these timelines. I feel so shitty. I feel so disappointed at myself. I'm sad. I'm frustrated. I'm scared because what if I get to these timelines I've set to myself and I'm still here? come on. I don't know. Right now, I feel like I don't want to say stagnant. I don't want to say I'm stagnant. God forbid, I'm not stagnant. But I feel like I should be able to do more. I should be able to have more at my age, because people are, I'm not trying to call myself people, but the fact that I'm longing for more, meaning I should be able to have more, right? Yeah, I still my family, and to be very honest, I don't lack anything. Well, sorry about that. I don't lack anything, but I'm no longer satisfied with what I have. I'm no longer content. I'm no longer satisfied with what I have. I'm no longer comfortable in my comfort zone. Imagine, I'm in my comfort zone, but I'm not comfortable. Like, I've been in this comfort zone since ages. I've never done anything outside my comfort zone. I've never taken risks. I've never done, I don't know, but just know that this girl right now feel caged. Like, I feel like I've been caged for years. I want to be independent. Yeah, I'm craving independence so much. I know people are going to come for me because you won't start paying bills. Don't worry, when you start paying bills, you know. But I don't know, but this is how I feel right now. And I just feel like talking to somebody. Yeah, just feel like talking to somebody. I just feel like sitting down and listening to somebody, pouring words of advice, a fresh advice, because I've been advising myself. I've been advising myself, like I've been drafting lots of plans for myself, but like I said before, I see myself taking one step forward and I take 2 steps backward. Everything is going wrong. Everything is going wrong. I have to change position because the noise there was becoming so unbearable for me. One of the things frustrating me in this house, noise. Anyway, I have been pouring my heart. I have been ranting a lot, and like I said before, I'm jobless, clueless. I don't know the direction that my life is taking. I don't know. I've tried so many things. I want to do something. Like I said before, I want to be independent, but because I have older siblings that have set a blueprint and it feels so wrong going in different paths, but who cares anymore? I don't care anymore at this point though. I don't care. So I don't know, I'll still be thinking about my life and my future. I'm actually learning a tech skill because I want to be a tech sis. That's actually one of the careers that I want to have in this my life. And even though it's taking a long time, I don't mind. I'll wait. Yeah, even though it's going to take a long time, I'm going to wait. But I know that I'm definitely going to come here and tell you that, okay, your girl is not a tech sis. Actually, I'm a tech sis, but I don't have an official job yet. But wait.
Did you feel that way? Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.